Snap isn't just for the grocery store. Here are 3 simple ways to shop local with Snap. At a farmer's market. Find the market manager or staff and swipe your card to purchase tokens. You can exchange your tokens for fresh produce with market vendors. At a farm stand. Confirm they accept Snap and shop just like you would at a grocery store. Use your card to get produce and goods from your local farmers. At the grocery store. All kinds of grocery stores accept Snap. Look for stores that carry Michigan produce, where you can make your Snap dollars go twice as far in the produce section. With the Double Up Food Bucks program. At participating grocery stores, earn $1 back for each dollar you spend on fruits and vegetables. Earn the same rewards at participating farm stands and farmers markets when you buy Michigan produce. Double Up Bucks might come in the form of coupons, a loyalty card, or the Double Up Food Bucks card for up to $20 per day. Learn more at doubleupfoodbucks.org. Explore your community to find the local stores, markets, and stands that accept Snap, and start making the most out of your Snap card today.